Ndinonzi Patricia Murambinda, General Manager Corporate Affairs kuDelta. Nhasi tiri pano paSally Mugabe Hospital apa patanga tichiratidzwa physiotherapy and occupational therapy equipment yatakadoneta gore rakapera mumwedzi waFebruary yaiita $50,000. Chief Executive Officer vepano Dr. Christopher Pasi vanga vachida kuti tione kuti equipment iyi iri kushanda sei uye vanhu vari kufanira kubenefita kubva kuequipment iyoyi vari kubenefita here. Aiwa tafara nhasi kuona kuti zvechokwadi equipment iri kushanda. Imwe yacho yanga ichitoshandiswa patasvika vachitiratidza ende vatifadza nekutiudza kuti pane mastudents ari kudzidziswa kushandiswa kweequipment iyi. Vaiita zvekuzviverengera mumabhuku asi pakauya equipment iyi vakugona kunyatsoona mashandisirwo eequipment iyi kuitira kuti vabatsire utano hwevanhu vedu. Chimwe chatifadza paequipment yataona nhasi ndeyekuti haisi kungobatsira vanhu vari munharaunda yeSally Mugabe Hospital asi kune vamwe vari kutorifewa kubva kumaprovince nekumadistrict hospitals kureva kuti iri kubata nyika yese yeZimbabwe. Saka izvi zvatifadza seDelta Corporation, sekambani inotyidzana nevanhu kuti tiri kubata mativi ose mana eZimbabwe.
Even if you ask a lot of people what rehabilitation is about, they are unlikely to be able to fully elucidate it as much as they can do with other aspects of medical care. Delta, out of its wisdom, actually noticed that this is one of the areas that is extremely ignored in terms of looking at patient care, but it can be able to actually make people better without the need sometimes of surgery, sometimes without the need of very expensive treatment that is required to put persons to full functionality in terms of either physical, speech and auditory. So rehab is a very important branch of medicine. So in that aspect, when this project was tabled as part of CSR for Delta, it's something that we really embraced with both hands, and we felt that it was going to go a long way. Our rehabilitation unit had seen better days, and the investment in terms of the need to have this kind of equipment was such that it was always being put at the back burner. So Delta managed to assist us to get all this. They actually asked the rehab unit to write down their wish list. It's very unusual when people tell you write down your wish list. So if there is anything that was left out, it's because the specialists in rehabilitation did not put down their wish list. So we were extremely excited. It took us some time to finally bring this to fruition. It was disturbed by the COVID-19 pandemic in terms of the importation of the materials, and we had to convert this unit into a COVID unit. At that time, we knew it was a real emergency pandemic situation, and therefore we could not deploy the equipment that is before us today. But finally, as COVID was now declared that it was now no longer a pandemic of significant importance, we then managed to spruce up the unit to what it is like now, and we have now managed to deploy the equipment. So to Delta, I want to thank you very much.